Welcome back, my friends. Well, this is the hashtag 2000 subscribers competition. My greenhouse was moved during some quite strong winds, and I thought it'd just be interesting competition to see how long it'd take me to move the greenhouse back into place, or how many panes of glass I would actually break. So as you can see, it's just moved slightly there, and that's where you can see the massive difference. The lip, you can just see the colour, change of colour of the slab. It was only just on at this end, and luckily enough my two fruit trees in the greenhouse have survived, as are all the grapes if they shoot this year. So looking at it, I'm going to push this side first. To get that back flush up to there. That far corner is the only corner that hasn't actually moved. Well, we've got the timer, we've got the trolley jack, a saw, sledgehammer, a few bits of wood, and as I come to talk to you on the camera or move the camera, I'll just stop the timer and let you know how we're getting on. Hopefully it won't take too long, but I'm not going to rush it. I don't want to break any panes of glasses if I can help it. That was lucky, right sort of length. That was part of the grow room. Just going to make sure I've got the angles right. I'm moving the corner that I didn't want to move. That's better. Little and often. So we've got that corner in, that one's slightly out, so we'll try and push it in this other direction. Need a decent piece of wood. a little packer there. So I'll just put a piece of wood. That wood's not quite long enough. Few adjustments. Always worth having a quick look. Still twisting incorrectly. Need a bigger block. Jack round, I'm too close to those pallets. Jack won't work that way, possibly because of the where the fluid is. It's better. Just going to move you guys so you can see what's happening. Give us a shout if I've gone too far. How are we doing? Just a wee more. How are we doing, guys? And a couple of pushes. That's not far away from where I want it. No, I'm not going to touch it anymore. I'm happy with that. So we're back into position, and whatever the timer says, as soon as I press the button, eight minutes and 42 seconds. So we'll see exactly where we are. I'm going to have a quick look on my phone, see if I can find anyone that was close. If not, I'll do another update. Right, I'll just get my tools to screw this down. Just quickly show you the glass. I think we would have heard anything that had broke. So let's just make sure we haven't got any breakages. Like I say, I think, whoops, crashed into the fence. No, we're all good. So, no glass broken in the 8 minutes 42, was it? Let's go and have a look. 8 minutes 42. So it was a quick, simple job, but obviously I wanted to film it, and I don't think anybody will disagree that that was the best way to do it. The extra blocks, the trolley jack isn't the best, because once you put it on its side, if the hydraulic oil isn't in the right place, it won't pump. It isn't designed to be used on its side. So I'll just have a quick look through my phone and see if I can find any winners. Well, I've had a look on my phone, and at first glance, no, I don't know whether you can, no, you won't see it because it's gone off. Let me bring you back, guys. Not sure. Oh, it's gone off again, guys. Anyway, it looks like it's Paul John O. Johnson, and just while I quickly, he got down 8 minutes, so I'm not sure it's going to focus right, but if anybody wants to have a quick look through, no, it's not going to quite focus, but yeah, Paul, you've got 1 week from when this is uploaded to claim your prize. If you can comment back on this video, just to prove that you're a regular subscriber or a regular viewer. If it doesn't claim within a week, I'll be taking the next closest answer. So thanks for watching, guys, commenting. I'm going to get this drilled down now, and this video's gone on for a little bit longer than I thought. But then again, some people were saying it's going to take me 2 hours. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy gardening. Till next time. Ta-ra for now.